I love soup. It's so soothing, and I especially love to make vegetable soups, like this broccoli soup I'm making now, which calls for an old technique using nuts as the thickener. And today I'm gonna be using raw cashews as the thickener in this soup. Chopping the celery. Let's do the fennel next. I'll use the stalks in the soup as well because they'll be cooking for a while. We can just do a rough chop on this. Everything's gonna get pureed at the end. Adding a little extra virgin Greek olive oil. I'm going to add the onions first, the carrots, the fennel, and celery. These are the flavors of longevity. They're everyday ingredients. I want to let this vegetable medley soften up a little bit. I have ginger here, and the ginger will also be pureed with everything else, so I don't have to grate it. The vegetables are just about ready for the next addition, which is the ginger and garlic, each one contributing something nutritionally dense to the overall soup. The potatoes go in next. A little star anise. We get the broccoli ready next. I'm going to use the entire head, right down to the stem, because this will also soften up as it cooks. I just want to get the broccoli into pieces. You can also use the stems in salads. I'm tossing everything together just to coat everything in the olive oil. I'm going to season it with a little salt and pepper, some vegetable stock. And we want to reserve some of the stock just to thin the soup if it needs to be thinned. And I'm going to cover this now and let it simmer until the broccoli is nice and tender. I'm going to make the nut thickener that goes into the broccoli soup next. And I'm using cashews and a very beloved Greek herb, fresh dill. And the whole idea of this is to have a soup that's thick and creamy without using dairy. The cashews are a good option for that. We want to grind them to a coarse crumb. I'll get my dill in here next, a little Dijon mustard, a touch of vinegar, and a little fresh lemon juice. A little salt, pepper. It's perfect. Oh, that looks totally ready. I'm gonna puree the soup. This will add not only texture, but also vibrancy to the broccoli. It looks a little thick to me, so I'm gonna dilute it with the vegetable stock that I have. This looks perfect. Extra virgin Greek olive oil. You can never go wrong with that. Now it's time to taste. It's soul-soothing. The broccoli is very pleasant, very present. Everything's in perfect balance. This is my new longevity soup.